Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today the tip is to go through your form, maybe some section of the form, maybe some sequence like Fair Lady Works the Shuttles or the first section, the first third, maybe Pangujian, something like that, but do it in a very small space. So you can kind of map it out and, with chalk or sticks or cones or something like that. And you can also just sort of tell yourself you're going to stay in a small space and not have it actually externally marked out. So it could be like a phone booth size or a small room or really whatever you like, but smaller than it would ordinarily be. And the idea is to practice in that small space and see if you can tune into other functions of the movements in the form that are less apparent to you, right? When we have the space that we ordinarily have. And I have a large frame form, so doing it small is, particularly illuminating. And really the thing to watch out for is that as we get smaller, we tend to get tighter, right? So we tend to bring tension in to become smaller. So the lesson really is going to be, can I remain open and soft and broad, if only in feeling and intention rather than actual, physical shape. So enjoy that, and let's make the art bigger, even as we practice smaller. Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.